everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can install the new Windows 8 on a physical PC or a laptop or even on a virtual machine. First thing, you need to download Windows 8 from Microsoft website, or you can buy a copy of Windows 8. In my case, I've already downloaded Windows 8 and I have the ISO file saved on my PC. The file size is around 3.3 gig and the installation file that I've downloaded is a 64-bit edition. So it also means that I can install this copy of Windows 8 only on a PC which has a 64-bit processor. If your PC has a 32-bit processor, then you can download Windows 8 32-bit edition. So in my case, I'm going to install Windows 8 on a virtual machine, and I've already created a virtual machine with the recommended hardware requirements for Windows 8 64-bit, and I have selected the ISO file of Windows 8. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start up this virtual machine, and that should start the installation. Alright, I'm at the setup screen. I'm okay with the language and the keyboard or input method. I'll select the appropriate time and currency format and I'll click next. I'll click install now. Alright, you can see the setup is starting now. Now you need to put the product key to activate the Windows. I've already typed the product key to activate the Windows, so I'm going to click next. And I'll accept the license terms and I'll click next. I'll click custom. Okay, I'm at the drive partitioning window. One thing that you need to make sure before you start up the setup is to back up your data to another partition, external drive, or to a safe location, because you don't want to format the drive which has your data. If you have multiple disks on your PC or laptop, then you need to make sure that you have selected the appropriate disk on which you would like to install Windows 8, because if you select a wrong disk, the setup is going to format the disk and you might end up losing your data. In my case, I only have one disk and I don't have any data on it, so I'll click next. Alright, now it's installing Windows. As it says, it may take a while, so we'll come back when it's done. Okay, now we are at the personalized screen. We can pick a color. I'm gonna pick this one, and we have to give a name for the PC, so I'm simply gonna say desktop and I'll click next. And here you need to specify the settings for your Windows. So either you can customize the settings or you can simply use Express settings. In my case, I'm going to use Express settings. I'll type in my email address to sign into my PC. I'll click next and it's going to check for a Microsoft account. Now I can type in the password of my Microsoft account. You can see it's creating an account. Now it's finalizing the settings. Alright, it's getting the PC ready, and it's saying that it will take a few minutes. Okay, you can see that the setup is installing the apps. These are the modern UI apps which show up on the start screen, and it's saying that we shouldn't turn off the PC. Alright, the setup is taking care of a few things, and it's saying that it's almost ready. Okay, now you can see the new Windows 8 startup screen, and these are the Metro apps that we have, and this will be the new desktop with no start button. Thanks for watching.